Hello again. I'm Ashley, if you haven't known, but I'm going to sing Heartless by the cover version, Jenna, the girl version, I think.
DJ New Money exclusive.
Told the story ever told, but the part that they don't know, you broke my heart and changed my soul. Yeah, you left me so heartless. Two sides to every story. This is mine. You made me heartless. You look at me like Dr. Evil, but you brought out the other side that I don't know, and I can't help it 'cause you're the reason for the change in me and why my heart turned cold. You look at me and disbelieve it, haven't figured out why you're alone. Maybe I got something to do with the cheating. Sometimes people change like the seasons. Listen to you now, just carrying on. How you hurt your heart like I did you wrong, but we both know that you made to me. I'm sorry and it didn't mean shit. If it didn't mean shit, then why'd you do it? And I'm not saying that I'm so perfect, but I gave you my heart and you stopped on it. So before you go and tell the world so heartless, you should stop for a second 'cause you're fault in this. Think of how you're in this predicament. Had a girl that loved you hard, but you ruined it. Baby, I'ma tell you like it is. If you wouldn't be good, you wouldn't feel like this. Had to let you go, yeah, I had to break out. If I didn't do it now, I would've just broke down. You need to understand why I'm heartless now. Just a product of your words and your last one round. Tangled in your head, now you're so strong. Now you can love your sin, but you made me heartless. But the part that they don't know, you broke my heart and changed my soul. Yeah, you left me so heartless. But the part that they don't know, yeah, you left me so heartless.
This is DJ